Hi everyone, Ellen Canner here, and in a Mardi Gras mood. So, alas, I am not in New Orleans, but I'm going to bring some tastes of New Orleans to me and to you. I'm going to make a crispy mushroom po' boy. Po' boys are a traditional New Orleans sandwich, usually on soft, wonderful French bread, and they're stuffed with all kinds of stuff, usually seafood. We're going to do it with mushrooms. But first, we have to do our batter. This is very simple and it's gluten-free. 2/3 cup chickpea flour, 1/3 cup cornstarch, preferably non-GMO, and 3/4 cup water. Whisk those babies together, and it's like a thick pancake batter. And now I like to add a few spices, because come on, it's me and it's New Orleans. I have half a teaspoon cumin. I have half a teaspoon smoked paprika and a pinch of sea salt. But I've got some really cool sea salt. This is Redmond smoked salt. First of all, it's all glittery, which is perfect for Mardi Gras, and it does have a nice little smoky kick to it. So I'm going to add those guys, just a pinch of this with some sparkle, and I'm going to introduce my mushrooms. 8 ounces of button mushrooms and a couple cremini. Cut them in half if they're large, but they will shrink as they roast. 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So here's our batter. And now it's going to meet our mushrooms. It may seem like not a lot of batter for a lot of mushrooms. You just want it to coat. So I'm gonna mix these guys up and spread them on a rimmed baking sheet. You could probably do this in an air fryer and it would be fantastic. You can do it in a convection oven or even a traditional oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I like to use a slotted spoon when transferring the mushrooms because we want mushrooms, not a lot of batter. And you want to spread your mushrooms out. We don't like being crowded. Probably make enough for 2 good po' boys. Now I'm gonna brush these guys with a little olive oil. And they are ready. Here are our very pretty crispy mushrooms. And to get them dressed up for Mardi Gras, I'm going to make a remoulade sauce. Sounds wonderful in French. But really, it's just a creamy mustard sauce. So it's 3 parts vegan mayo, 1 part Dijon mustard, extra credit if you have a seedy kind. And you can add a few capers, a few bits of chopped onion or some pickle relish. Remember, this is your remoulade, but I do like to add a squeeze of lemon. And I'm going to get this, my French bread is all ready for our sandwich. And the great part about these crispy mushrooms is that if you don't eat them all now, although why wouldn't you? They will recrisp tomorrow and they'll be perfect for Lent as well. So here we are. Beautiful. Till next time, everyone. Happy Mardi Gras. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye.